Hello Power Crew fam, welcome to Power Crew Spokes, your one-stop spot for all action-packed reviews, spokes drama and wrestling madness. And today, oh boy, we are diving deep into WWE's Clashing Paris 2025. From shocking betrayals to jaw-dropping performance, this event had everything. Let's break it down in a Power Crew style. Starting with main event chaos, Seth Rollins versus CM Punk versus Jey Uso versus LA Knight. Yeek! Becky Lynching disguise stormed the ring. One low blow later, Seth Rollins hit the brutal stomp on a steel chair and pinned Punk. And here is your winner, Seth freaking Rollins! The Paris crowd went insane. Boos, cheers, gaps, pure wrestling theater. This also reunited Rollins and Lynch on screen, returning the entire match into blockbuster drama. The Power Crew grade will be 4 stars. Why? Because it had great storyline, shocking twist, but maybe a bit predictable for hardcore fans. Still, drama level equal to Chef's kiss. Mwah! Now coming to the another genius match, John Cena versus Logan Paul, the show steller. Ladies and gentlemen, what a performance! Cena on his retirement crew went full gladiator mode. He pulled out Code Red, a Styles Clash, and then hit not one but 2 attitude adjustments to humble Logan Paul. Logan, to his credit, fought like a star, selling, countering, and showing off his athleticism, but Paris belongs to Cena. That's for sure. This match wasn't just good, it was match of the year candidate good. Power Crew grade will be 5 stars because Cena gave us vintage vibes with a modern edge. Absolutely gold. Now coming to the next match, Roman Reigns versus Bronson Reed. The Tribal Chief was back in action and Bronson Reed looked unstoppable. Power moves, strikes, near falls. Reed really tested Roman. But in the end, one massive spear sealed the deal. And the winner will be, yes, our own OTC, Roman Reigns. But wait, post-match chaos. Reed attacked Roman and then the Vision ambushed Reigns backstage. Paris witnessed the aura of Roman being shaken, maybe even cracked. Storyline heat is building big time. We can see WrestleMania will be cooked this year. Oh, sorry, next year. Power Crew grade will be 3 stars. Solid match, good drama, but the post-fight breakdown made it feel more like a storyline setup than a pay-per-view climax. Now coming to the women's division, we have Becky Lynch, the man, versus Nikki Bella, the ex Women's Intercontinental Championship. Becky defended her gold against Nikki Bella, and while she was walked out victorious, fans weren't exactly thrilled. A certain table spot looked slow, awkward, and honestly kinda fake. And in today's internet age, that went viral for all the wrong reasons. Still, Becky's dominance continues and her interference in the main event gave her Nike an extra punch. Power Crew grade will be 2 stars. I was hoping more, but sorry. Max execution wasn't up to the par, but storyline connection saved it from being a disaster. Now coming to the next match, it's Donnybrook Delight, Sheamus versus Rusev. This was brutal, physical, and oh so entertaining. Sheamus turned Paris into doubling with the brawling style, and after a war of strikes and tables, he walked out the victor. Fans got what they wanted, 2 big lads smashing each other. Power Crew grade will be 4 stars. Pure fun and chaos. Exact what a Donnybrook match should be. Now coming to the Wyatt 6 versus Street Profits. Creepy, eerie, and chilling. Wyatt 6 once again showcased why they are the most dangerous faction right now. Street Profits tried to keep the energetic, but Wyatt 6 smoothed them with dominance. Power Crew grade will be 3 stars. Entertaining but more showcase match of Wyatt 6 than a true battle. It's alright, let them cook. Final thoughts about Clash in Paris 2025. Overall, this show was a roller coaster. Seth and Becky's heel drama stole the headlines. Cena proved once again why he is the GOAT. Roman's aura is cracking, and that's a big story for future events. Women's IC match could have been way better, but for entertainment, surprises, and pure wrestling joy, Paris delivered. Overall, Power Crew event grade will be 4-star. And that wraps up our Clash in Paris 2025 breakdown. What was your favorite match? Did Becky do CM Punk dirty, or was it all fair game in the world of WWE chaos? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Power Crew Sports, where we bring the power, the drama, the fun to your screens every week. See you in next video.